The current administration has publicly admitted they want this treaty ratified. The major proponent for ratification started a media blitz 2 weeks ago. They want it ratified by November 20th of this year. So just be on the alert for the UNCRC. He talked about the courts being a threat. Our courts are also doing some very unique things. The Supreme Court has, they've got their lovely way they classify our inalienable rights. They call them fundamental and non-fundamental. They used to call parental rights fundamental. They now have modified that, so we have some courts that are no longer protecting parental rights the way they should be. So that's one of our other threats, and of course we have these radical judges that allow it to happen. So we've got a couple threats, and basically, I think they have said everything that I wanted to say. We need to be aware of this. So the one thing I ask you to do is just get our once-a-week email. If you sign the petition, that's what we do. If we can't contact you, we had 2.5 days notice for this bill here in Illinois. And if we didn't have email, we wouldn't have been able to make phone calls. So I ask that you sign our petition to get our email, and just be aware of the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child and any type of local or state legislation that might infringe on parental rights. And go ahead and take one of my cards, send me an email if you need it. But that's basically what's going on. Some of the things are not constitutional, and we have radical judges, but we're going to lose the right to raise our children